Hello, in this video I will show you how to cash out of Phantom Wallet. Now it's a very easy process. So what you have to do is just simply go to your browser where you have Phantom Wallet. Now open the Phantom Wallet. And before that, firstly open some type of exchange where you're going to transfer your funds, because directly on Phantom Wallet you will not have any option to cash out. But if you use any other exchange, like for example Binance over here, this will be used for cashing out the crypto that is inside Phantom Wallet. Let me show you how it's done. So firstly open Binance or any other exchange that you have. After that, all you have to do is just go to the deposit section and click on deposit crypto right over here. Just choose for whichever crypto you want to deposit. So in my case, it's going to be Solana. So just search for SOL. Now choose a correct networks, which is going to be again SOL. Now you will be given this address right over here. Copy this address. And now what you will do is go back to your Phantom Wallet. Then click on send. Choose the crypto that you want to send. Paste the address that you just copied. Then enter the amount that you would like to withdraw. Like for example, you want to withdraw $10 or $1 to be exact. Just simply enter that, or $5. Just simply enter whatever dollar you want to withdraw. Now you can also withdraw using the Solana number, as you can see. But currently I'm using USD. Now once you will choose how much you want to withdraw, as you can see right over here, just simply click on next, and then just simply review all the details right over here, and then just simply click on send. Now once you click on send, your Solana will be over here in the dashboard. Now once your Solana is in your Binance account, the next step that you have to do is you have to convert this into USDT. So what you have to do is just simply go to the asset section, go to the overview, and right over here, just simply go to the trade section, click on convert, and right over here, at the very top, just simply choose Solana, and at the bottom, choose USDT. Now search for Solana right over here, which is going to be right this one. Then choose the max amount of balance, and then we'll show you how much USDT you will be getting for this amount of Solana. Just simply click on preview conversion, and then complete the conversion. Now, once the conversion is complete and you have USDT, just let me see where your USDT is. For example, is it in holding, is it in spot account or funding account? Because in order to cash out, you will need the USDT to be in the funding wallet. So in order to check that, go to assets, go to overview. Now just simply click on this small arrow right over here, and that will tell you where exactly your fund is. So in my case, it is in the funding wallet. And for the case of the Solana, it is in the funding wallet as well. Now, once your USDT is in the funding wallet, again go back to trade, go to P2P. Now right over here, choose sell. Then choose USDT right over here. And after that, choose any one of the advertisers over here, probably the first one because it is the best one. Then just simply click on sell USDT. Now, over here you will be able to see how much money you will be getting. But first, add USDT amount that you would like to sell, and now you will be able to see how much you will be getting. Then choose your bank account number right over here. Now you can add the bank account number through the settings panel right over here. Just simply go ahead and add it, and then you will be able to see it right over here. Now once you will have sufficient fund, just simply click on sell USDT, and once the USDT has been sold, and the amount will be transacted into your account within 3 to 4 minutes depending on the advertiser, as you can see right over here. So that's it, and if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.